Number 2 is official Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D printer. The official Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D printer is a premium-grade solution for creating gun parts. The upgraded 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle provides exceptional printing capabilities with filaments like ABS, PETG, PA, PLA, TPU, and wood. The all-metal direct drive extruder, with a pushing force of up to 80 N, ensures seamless feeding and discharging of filaments without slipping, especially when printing flexible filaments like TPU. With its 16-point auto-leveling program, the CR Touch auto-level sensor improves bed leveling precision, providing a smoother printing experience. The Z-axis dual-screw and dual-motor design work together perfectly, resulting in higher printing accuracy, smoother finishes, and reducing the possibility of lines and ridges on the sides of prints. The Steel Spring PEI sheet bed eliminates adhesion problems, avoiding the need for manual shoveling. The filament detection sensor and power loss recovery function ensure smooth and efficient print jobs. The Ender 3S1 Pro is a highly versatile, reliable 3D printer for gun part enthusiasts. Its quality components and features make it a top-tier solution for those seeking high-quality prints. So if you are interested in the Pro 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.